1890. San Miguel Brewery founded. 1898. Independence from Spain. 1946. Independence from US. 1978. First Jollibee opens. 1982. Red Horse beer introduced. 1985. Bruno Mars was born. 1990. Andrew E. releases his first album. 1998. Manny Pacquiao becomes champion. 2009. Vice Ganda debuts on Showtime. 2018. Philippines wins its 4th Miss Universe. 2021. Philippines wins its first Olympic gold medal. 2025. Smart Girl Philippines hits 200,000 subscribers on YouTube.